In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a backup file in Hostinger for the year 2025. If you have a WordPress site and you're looking to restore or upload a backup file using Hostinger, then you're in the right place. Follow along for a simple and clear step-by-step guide. We'll start by heading to Hostinger. First, open your web browser and navigate to Hostinger's main site by entering the URL or clicking a direct link if you have one. Once you're there, click on Websites from the top menu. This will take you to a page where all your hosted websites are listed. Next, you'll want to select the appropriate website that you wish to upload the backup to. Click on Dashboard for your chosen site. If you can't see the file manager immediately, don't worry, you may need to consult the site's roadmap. Simply search for the term File to locate the file management component. After accessing the dashboard, you'll need to click on Web Hosting from the options presented to you. This is where all the related functionalities for your web hosting plan reside. Here, you can find a guide on how to use Hostinger's file manager. It's certainly helpful to familiarize yourself with this if it's your first encounter. Now that you've navigated to the file manager, let's focus on understanding its interface. It comprises three main sections: the sidebar, the file management area, and the top menu. The sidebar features options like My Files to open the root folder and additional tools to create new folders or files. You'll also find a trash bin for deleted items, settings to configure your file manager, and a logout option when you're finished. In the file management area placed in the middle, you'll see the files and folders contained in your current directory. Scrolling through, you can right-click to rename, copy, move, or delete files as needed. The breadcrumb navigation at the top allows for easy movement between directories. Should you need to make edits, Hostinger's file manager has a built-in text editor. This is excellent for directly modifying files without the need for downloading and re-uploading them. The editor boasts a syntax highlighter, making it more user-friendly and minimizing potential errors during edits. By following these steps, managing your WordPress backup files on Hostinger should now be a seamless process. Remember to explore each feature Hostinger offers within the file manager to make the most out of your website management needs. Thank you for joining me today. Feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a quick refresher on uploading your backup files to Hostinger.